Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export Notion as a PDF. This is incredibly useful when you need to share your notes, project plans, or documentation with people who don't use Notion, or when you simply want a permanent offline version of your work. First, navigate to the workspace that contains the page you want to export. This is important because you need to make sure you're working within the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple workspaces for different projects or teams. Once you're in the right workspace, click on the specific page in your sidebar to open it fully. This ensures that you're viewing the complete page with all its content before you begin the export process. Now look toward the top right corner of your page where you'll see the three-dot menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various page options. From this drop-down, select Export. This action opens up Notion's Export Settings window, which gives you control over how your page will be saved and shared. In the Export Settings window, you'll see different format options available. Click on PDF as your export format. This is the format you'll want when you need a clean, professional-looking document that preserves your formatting and can be easily shared or printed. Before finalizing your export, take a moment to explore the optional customization settings. Depending on your needs, you can choose to include database views and content, which is particularly helpful if your page contains tables or databases that you want preserved in the PDF. You'll also find options to adjust the page format, whether you prefer A4, letter, or legal size. Additionally, you can modify the scale percentage to control how your content fits on each page, ensuring everything looks exactly how you want it. Once you've configured your settings, click the Export button. Notion will begin generating your PDF file, which may take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of your page. After the file is ready, it will automatically download to your device's default download location. Simply navigate to that folder and open your saved PDF document to view the final result. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Notion page as a PDF, making it easy to share your work with anyone or keep a permanent backup of your important information. Thanks for watching.